Are you looking for the best cocoa powders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cocoa powders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Healthworks Cacao Powder. Healthworks brings to you premium quality cocoa powder which is derived from the harvest that is grown in natural organic farms of healthy and nutritious soil in Peru. The cocoa beans are harvested by hand. As a matter of fact, the premium quality can add magic to the flavor of any dessert. The beans are milled carefully so that they are turned into fine powder form while retaining their flavor and aroma. It has the intense flavor of chocolate that would impress both seasoned chefs and home cooks. If you are on a keto diet or embrace the vegan lifestyle, then this cocoa powder is great for you. At number 4, Kiva Raw Organic Cacao Powder. Kiva presents to you organic and natural cacao powder at an affordable price. It is not just good for your health, but also great for the environment. Instead of relying on lab-grown GMO seeds, Kiva sources their premium Criollo cacao seeds from the South American country of Ecuador. These seeds are grown without the use of chemical components that harm the soil as well as the human body. They go through minimal processing at a low temperature. As a result, you can get all the natural flavor and nutrients that are otherwise lost in heavy and quick processing. At number 3, SUPERWELL Organic Cacao Powder. SUPERWELL was created to deliver you superfoods that enhance the natural healing power of your body. Therefore, it lets you rely on nature's bounty instead of chemicals and drugs. Now, when you buy their product you know you are contributing to a greater cause. It contributes 1% of their profits go towards the populations that are less fortunate and at risk throughout the globe. With a nominal price, you get around 15 ounces of premium cocoa powder. Hence, it can last you for a long time and bring you genuine health benefits. At number 2, Hershey's Baking Cocoa. Hershey's has been a part of everyone's childhood for generations. It has been delivering rich, flavorful chocolates and other forms of desserts that are liked by both kids and adults. This cocoa from the brand lets you recreate that Hershey's magic in your own kitchen and add the intense chocolate flavorful to your baked desserts. It is certainly made completely from cacao without any chemical additives. You can use it for yourself or as a great gift for your friends and family. Brownies, cookies and cakes would never be the same and leave your guests craving for more with the Hershey's baking cocoa inside them. At number 1, 365 Everyday Value Organic Cocoa Powder. The 365 Everyday Value Cocoa Powder has been brought to you by Whole Foods Market and has the same reliability that you would expect from any Whole Foods product. Organic ingredients are the key factor that leads to the success of Whole Foods and sets them apart. This 8-ounce pack of cocoa powder is also made from cocoa beans. As a matter of fact, it has been obtained from organic farms without the use of harmful products and GMO seeds. This powder is rich in dietary fiber and contains around 2 grams of it, which takes around 8% of the whole pack. You don't need to worry about saturated fats or sugar messing up your appetite and diet since this contains none. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.